class we'll see about HTML forms. While using internet, we would have come across the situation of submitting forms to the server many times. To collect information from the user, server uses HTML forms. HTML form controls are available in various types. They are text inputs, radio button, buttons, file select, checkbox and form tag. Text input. Text input is used by the user to type information inside it. Buttons. Buttons are used in options like submit, reset and cancel. Checkbox. Checkbox is used to select many options at a time. Generally, not in all the scenarios multiple selections are made. In few cases, selection of a single choice is mandatory. In such cases, radio button is used. With radio buttons, only one option can be selected. File select. File select is used to select files from the user machine and upload it to the server. Form tag. Form tag is used to mention the method of transfer of data. The data that is entered and submitted by the user can be sent using post or get method. In post method, the data that is sent is kept safe inside the body of the request and transferred, whereas in get method, the data will be sent through URL. The data transfer is secured in post method. So it is the post method which is used in most of the practical applications. Let's see an example code to understand HTML controls better. This is our expected output. And to get this output, inside HTML body, we are declaring form tag and linking welcome.php file. The text inputs and submits are declared with input type tags. And below that, welcome, in which the mode of transfer is specified as post method. As post method is used, name and email ID will be sent safely. Validation. Validation is the process of checking the submitted data. Validation are of two types. They are client-side validation and server-side validation. Possibilities are there for a user to submit a data unfilled or incorrect. At such times, client validation notifies the user about that before sending the data to the server. The process of checking the data before sending it to the server is called as client validation. And this could be achieved using client-side scripts like JavaScript or by adding a required attribute in HTML tags. Server validation. Server validation is the process of checking the data after submission. Server validation is done using PHP, ASP or JSP. That's all for today's class. For more lectures on computer applications, subscribe and follow Hard Drive channel. Thank you.